How to schedule a post with Vista Social. If you're looking to simplify your content planning, Vista Social makes it incredibly easy to schedule posts across multiple platforms. First, log into your Vista Social dashboard. Once inside, click on the A New Postin' button. Select the social media platforms you want to post to, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Then, write your post or upload the content, such as images or videos. After your content is ready, click on the Scheduled option instead of Wednesdays. Publish now. A calendar will pop up. You can choose the exact date and time you want your post to go live. Second, texting. This is especially helpful for planning campaigns, maintaining consistency, and posting when your audience is most active. To further optimize your schedule, Vista Social also gives you insights into best posting times based on engagement data. Use these suggestions to refine your strategy. You can also view all scheduled posts in the Content Calendar view, which gives you a clear overview of your upcoming content pipeline. Remember, the link to try Vista Social for free is in the description. It unlocks all these features, including bulk scheduling and advanced automation. Scheduling your posts not only saves time, but also helps maintain a professional and consistent brand presence. Whether you're managing a single brand or multiple client accounts, this feature ensures you're always ahead of schedule. Explore Vista Social today and make your content workflow smoother than ever.